This is a fictional story made for entertainment. All characters and events are.
Wine coming, it's raining. Jungkook doesn't move right away. He just look at her, smiling faintly. You are enjoying it more than the weather. Wine, laugh. It's feel good. Jungkook step closer. He brush wet hair away from the face. You will get sick. Then take care of me. Rain falling. Jungkook, I will always. Wine look. Her smile softened. They stand there in a rain for a moment. From the distance, inside the house, the maid watches from the corner. Her expression changed slightly. She quickly take out her phone. 2 weeks later, morning dining table. She sitting quietly while he finishes. Eat properly and don't skip meal. I don't come after work. I will come after work. Wine, look at him, small note. Okay, Wine, Jungkook stand and don't go outside in cold. Your health is not good. You are acting like I am a child. Jungkook, I am serious, Wine. Wine, I know. Jungkook nod and walk toward door. I will come early today. He leave, door closes. She look at the table slowly, start eating again. Time skips. She sitting on bed thinking quietly, what should I do? She suddenly pause, idea click, side smile. Maybe I can surprise him. The smile to herself lost in thought made walk in slowly. Ma'am, you are okay? Wine look at her soft expression. Yeah, I am just thinking. You look happy today. Wine smile. Do I? Yes, something good happened. Wine hesitates, then relaxes. Not yet, but I am planning something. Made smile curious. Force her. Wine nods slightly. I want to surprise him. Maid smile warmly. That's so nice. Wine look at her. More comfortable now. Will you help me? Maid, of course. Night. Bedroom door open. Candles lit. Soft decoration around. Jumbo step in. Pauses. Look around slowly. Small smile. Wine. He walk inside. Eyes searching. Suddenly two hands wrap around him from behind. Jumbo smile. Wine rest her head on his back. You said you will come early. Jumbo turn to face her. You did all this for me. Wine nods slightly. Do you like it? Jungkook look up around, then back to her. I like you more. Wine looked down, shy smile. He pulled her into the. They stay close, breathing slow, eyes locked. Jungkook lean in slowly, stopping near her lips. Jungkook smiled faintly. Say stop. Wine stay silent, eyes not leaving him. He gently kisses her, slow and soft, holding her closer. Wine met into him, hand moving up to his shoulder. He deepened one hand at her back, pulling her close. Wine responds softly. He guided her gently toward bed without breaking closeness. Wine sit, pulling him with her. They shift slightly. I would rather show you. Next morning, soft light entering room. She slowly waking up, wine, move hand, find empty space beside her open eyes. Jungkook, she sit up looking around. She pick it up, reading quietly. I had to leave early, but I will come back soon. Don't skip breakfast and take care of yourself. I will make it up to you tonight. Vine smiled softly, holding the note. She looked at her bed, remembering last night. Shy smile. Vine, come back soon. She placed the note carefully and walked toward washroom. Suddenly, she hold her head, dizziness hitting. She tried to stand but feel weak. She freezes. Wine eyes widens suddenly. Something click in her mind. Breathe quicken. She touches her face again, panic rising. She rushes toward bathroom. Time skip. Wine come downstairs. Maid walk quickly toward her. Ma'am, Jungkook, Jungkook sir called. He said there is some emergency and ask you to come. Wine freeze, expression change. What happened? Maid, he didn't say. He just told me to come fast. Where he is? Maid, he told a place. Wine grabbed her phone. Why did not he tell me himself? Maid, he sounded in hurry. Wine, start walking fast. She come out, getting into car quickly. She start the car herself. Car speed off. She gripping, steering tightly. She go. Two men standing near the gate, ready to leave. Maid, no, ma'am said she wants some time alone. She need privacy. Man, we can't ignore sir's order. Maid, and if she get angry, you know Jungkook sir very well. Both men exchange look hesitantly. Man pause, then step back. Fine, we'll wait. Maid nod slightly, hiding her expression. Car already far away. She unaware, driving fast. Time skip. Empty area. She arrived. Car stopped. Silence around. Vine look around, confused. Jungkook. She stopped. She stepped out of the car, checking surrounding. Where are you? Vine freezes, fear rising. What is this? Man step step out quickly, moving toward her. Stay away. She stepped back, panic growing. Jungkook. One man grabbed her arm. Vine, leave me, let me go. She struggled, trying to pull away. Vine, help, please, someone help. Another man holding her, covering her mouth. Night. Jungkook, Vine, he walked fast through living room, checking everywhere. Vine, no response. His expression turned serious. He pulled out phone, calling her. Pick up. Call, keep ringing. No answer. Jungkook let jaw, moving quickly upstairs, checking room. Where is? Where did she go? He dialed another number. Young, she is not here. Something is wrong. He and Cole walking out fast. Outside, his man standing. Where is she? Man look confused. Ma'am left in a hurry, sir. Who allowed her to go alone? Maid said ma'am wanted privacy and told us to not follow. Jungkook's expression darkened. And you believe that? Man stay silent. Where is that step echo. Lee walk in, calm and cold. Wine look at him, fear in eyes. Who are you? Where is Jungkook? Lee Smith slightly stepping closer. You still thinking about him? Wine try to move back. Let me go. Lee lean closer, voice low. I will end him very soon and you will watch. Wine eyes widen, fear turning into panic. No, don't touch him, Lee stated, amused. Let's see how long your hopes stay. Wine breathing fast, holding herself, door closed. She left alone, fear growing. Bedroom quiet. Jungkook enter while losing tie. Wine. Jungkook noticed bathroom door slightly open and walked there. He stopped at the door, eyes falling on the sink. A pregnancy test. His eyes stay fixed. His hand slowly dropping. He stepped closer, picking up and shaking hand. So many emotions hit him at once. His phone suddenly rang. Jungkook answered quickly. Fine, where are you? Lee laughed softly from other side, straight to the point. Jungkook gripped tighter on phone. If you touched her, she is alive for now. Jungkook jaw clenched. Lee, you should hear her voice. She keep calling your name. Don't you dare to touch her. Lee made through voice. Why not? Maybe I should make you hear her scream too. Jungkook, I will kill you. Lee, come and try. Short silence, heavy. Come alone to the place I sent if you want to see her alive. Jungkook, breathing heavy. If you, if one tear fall from her eyes because of you, Lee, then don't be late. Call cut. Jungkook, look at the pregnancy test again, holding it tightly. Hold on, Wine. I'm coming. He stand and walk with inside car. Jungkook driving fast, hand tight on steering. He called them. Jungkook, where are you? Lee kidnapped Wine. Then stop expression change. What? Jungkook, he called me. He told me to come alone and send the location. Then grab the keys immediately. I'm coming. Jungkook, no. Stay back for now. Then, are you crazy? Don't do anything stupid. I'm coming. Call end. Taeyang walked fast toward his car. Mr. John stepped in front of him. Where are you going? Lee took Wine. Mr. John. Expression hardened instantly. Jungkook told you. Then he is going there now. Mr. John, take a deep breath. Then I'm coming too. Then Dad. Mr. John, I know Lee is behind all this. Then what? Mr. John, take a deep breath. He called me once before. He warned me. Then stop closer. Then why did not you tell anyone? Because I thought I could handle it before it reached to this point. His voice heavy with regret. I was wrong. He looked straight at them. Take me there. No one touch my family and walk away. Then nod, both moving fast toward car. Cliffside, strong wind. Jungkook stopped his car and get out fast. His eyes widened, seeing Wine tied up near the edge, rope in Lee's hand. Wine looked at him. Jungkook ran forward in panic. Lee suddenly loosened a rope slightly. Wine gasped, body slipping closer to edge. No. Jungkook stopped mid-step instantly. One more step and she falls. Jungkook stands frozen. Anger, anger and fear mixed. Don't touch her. Lee, smirk holding rope carelessly. Funny. Jungkook, tell me what you want. Lee, revenge. My brother's revenge. Jungkook, your brother betrays us. He chose his own death. Lee's expression darkened. You killed him because he deserved it. Lee angrily losing the rope again. Vine cries out in fear. Jungkook, no, stop. Jungkook's voice break, eyes locked on Vine. She did nothing wrong. Leave her out of this. Take me instant, kill me if you want, but let her go. Lee laughed coldly. I will kill you too. Don't worry. He gripped the rope tightly, enjoying the fear. Suddenly, gunshot echoed through the cliff. Both side men rushed forward, attacking each other. Jungkook ran straight toward Lee in rage. Jungkook threw a hard punch, making Lee stumble back. How dare you touch my wife? Taeyang ran fast to Vine, cutting the rope quickly. Vine eyes searching only for Jungkook. Jungkook grabs Lee by collar and punches him again. Lee wiped blood from lips, laughing bitterly. You think you can save everyone? Jungkook moved closer in anger. Lee suddenly threw soil into Jungkook's eyes. Jungkook stepped back immediately, eyes burning. Now let's see how strong you are. Lee stand up, breathing hard, grabbing his gun quickly. He pointed toward Vine and Taeyang. Vine frees Taeyang, pull her slightly behind him. Jungkook stand up. Lee turn. Stay away or I will shoot her. Jungkook, don't do this. Lee's make finger near trigger. He aimed directly at Vine. Stop, don't shoot. Lee, look at him cold. You want her alive. Then jump. Vine and Taeyang eyes widen. No. Even Jungkook freezes for a second. What? Lee, jump from the cliff. Vine, no, Jungkook, don't. Lee's voice rises unstable. I will count to 3. If you don't jump, I shoot her. Jungkook slowly looked down at the cliff repentantly. He looked back at Vine. Vine, no, please don't. Jungkook, no. Jungkook eyes soft like saying something without words. Jungkook keep looking at Vine. 3. Lee moved finger round to shoot. Jungkook suddenly turned and jumped from the cliff. Jungkook. Vine and Taeyang rush forward. Stop. Lee aimed directly at Vine. Vine frees, eyes shut tightly in fear. For a second, everyone goes silent. She slowly opens her eyes, breathing shaking. Taeyang falls to the ground in front of her, blood spreading from his body. Taeyang, her eyes widen in pure shock. Taeyang, her whole body shaking, tears falling fast. Vine dropped beside him, panic taking over. No, no, her vision turned blurry, breathe uneven. Everyone around her spinning. She became unconscious behind him. Mr. John, catch him. His men run fast and grab Lee before he can escape. Lee struggles, but they hold him tightly. Police move in quickly, taking over. Mr. John ran toward Taeyang, eyes already teary. Taeyang, he dropped beside him, holding him carefully. Open your eyes, son. His voice shaking badly. My son fell from the cliff. Save him. Jungkook fell from the cliff. Search him. Search for him now. Officer immediately rushed toward the cliffside. Mr. John held Taeyang and unconscious Wine nearby. Fear all